Hello, and welcome to Life of a Boss, the podcast, hosted by entrepreneur, public speaker, and mentor, Jason Hardin. This podcast is all about helping audiences create and reach their own definition of success through positive thinking, perseverance, and personal development. Having survived extreme obstacles from an early age, such as cancer, poverty, abuse, family dysfunction, and even homelessness, Jason has learned how to master the art of resilience and defy all odds to become the boss he is today. So, get ready for some serious game and remember to keep an open mind. Now, without further delay, here is your host, Jason Hardin.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to another wonderful episode of Life of a Boss, the podcast. I am your host, Jason Hardin, and I am absolutely excited to be here as always. Man, today I want to speak on something that it's actually a very important secret to success. It's a very important hack, if you will. It's a cheat code. Basically, it will help you obtain whatever it is you want out of life. And that is the law of attraction. The law of attraction. Now, what does it mean? Now, I'm sure a lot of us have heard it before. I believe it's the one of the laws of power. I believe it's in the what is it, the art of war. I don't know how many books this shit has been in, but the law of attraction is very real, and it's very widespread in knowledge. You know, a lot of people understand it. A lot of people know about it because it's true. And basically, what it is, in its simplicity, is positive thoughts and actions pay off. The law of attraction is the idea that positive thoughts and actions pay off. It's if you think good thoughts, good things will happen. If you expect to find joy, peace, success, love, money, and all those things will come about. That's the law of attraction. It's the idea of wanting something and basically stating that you want it, showing that you want it, acting like you want it, and somehow it comes to you. It's that attraction. But to make it work, basically, how do we make that work? How do we execute the law of attraction? How we want money? How do we get it? We want love. How do we get it? We want success in our business, in our ventures, in our sport, in our industry. How do we use the law of attraction to get it? You know, and basically, first of all, you have to know how you want to feel. You know how you want to feel and feel it. Because your feelings are a choice. So first of all, if you want joy out of life, if you want to be happy, if you want to feel love, then feel it. You know what I'm saying? Give yourself that love you want to feel. Choose to feel joy. Choose to feel that happiness. Choose to appreciate what you have. That's a great place to start when it comes to the law of attraction. Because you being happy, you being fulfilled, you being content, you enjoying life, you looking like you got your shit together is attractive. I'm serious. You looking like you know who you are and you're comfortable in your skin, that's attractive. Whoever you are. I don't care what you look like, how much you weigh, where you're from, what ailments or disabilities you have. If you are confident in your skin and you love who you are and appreciate life, you're so much more attractive than if you hated life and are so upset and are bitter and grumpy and you're mad at the world and you got a chip on your shoulder. Man, that's very unattractive. And like I said, it doesn't matter who you are, what industry you're in, or where you're trying to be successful at. That's across the board. When it comes to the law of attraction and putting it into action, it starts with yourself. It starts with being positive and choosing positive thoughts. And it goes beyond that. It's not just thinking positive. To really execute the law of attraction, you have to be positive and do positive all the time. So the law of attraction works when we think positive, be positive, and do positive all the time. All the time. What does that mean? That means doing the right thing when no one's watching. That means quality control. Making sure your orders are right, making sure your grammar's correct, making sure you proofread your emails and your documents before they go out. You know, it's putting your best foot forward. It's not just thinking like a boss. It's being one and moving like one. That helps initiate the law of attraction. That helps kick off some attraction. You know what I'm saying? You give off a certain type of vibe when you move with impeccable actions. You know what I'm saying? When you move flawlessly. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you walk, it's so cool and you trip and fall, but you damn near turn that into a stroll, a step, a dance move. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those things. It's not tripping and then looking all distraught and like you almost fell and you panicked and now you know what I'm saying? You're discombobulated. Nah. It's looking like you got this shit. That's part of it. The law of attraction is thinking positive, being positive, and doing positive. And what would all that equate to? Having positive things come into your life. Because when you start doing this all the time, you're sowing seeds. You're planting these seeds where you don't even know. You know what I'm saying? You're planting seeds everywhere and you have no idea because you don't know who's watching. You don't know what's happening. You don't know how close somebody else is paying attention to something you've turned in or some work you've done. They didn't even meet you. They saw your work. And they looked at your work and they saw it was impeccable. Every detail was looked at and was tended to and was presented the way it was supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? That's the law of attraction. If you want the pretty girl, don't chase the pretty girl. Create what pretty girls want within you. You know what I'm saying? Make her come to you. I call it leverage. I call it positioning. You can call it what you want, but that's all the law of attraction. It's positioning yourself for everything you want to come to you. Be in the places where everything you want hangs out. Be at the places where the people you admire and the people you look up to and the people you respect and the people you think are awesome hang out. Be where they kick it. You know what I'm saying? Do things that interest people that you love. And not out of trying to just get their attention, but because you love them. Do what interests you, and the people that will love you will come to you. Be all in on whatever the hell it is you're off of. And those that are into that, those that think that is sexy, those that think that is attractive, those that think that is a place where opportunities are and where money can be made, they're going to find you. That's the law of attraction. Let's do us to the fullest and let them find us. You don't have to look for greatness. You create greatness within you. That's the law of attraction. Greatness is going to run to you. Greatness is going to trip over everybody else trying to find you when you're doing what you're doing for you. When you're living your dream, when you're knee deep into whatever interests you, and you're studying whatever craft or whatever technology or whatever art that totally consumes your soul and brings you joy. When you're knee deep in the business you built. When you're knee deep in the work you're doing, in the volunteerism you have going on, in the compassion you have for people, in the teachings you bring others, when you're knee deep in what you do, everything will find you that you want. But you really have to be living the life that you want and that you want to create for yourself. That's the law of attraction. Be what you want. If you want $1 million and you want to be a millionaire and you want to be wealthy, become wealth. Act and move as one would act and move if they had wealth. I don't mean buy a bunch of shit that people would buy if they had money, but move the way they would move. Aside from shopping, how do rich people move? How do wealthy people move? How do scientists and athletes and pro figures and stars and the people you look up to and the people that you want to emulate and become and the people you're inspired by, how do they move? How do they live day by day? What discipline do they exercise? What do they do? What time do they put in towards being great? What practice do they set up for themselves? What workout? What regimen? What nutritional plan? You know what I'm saying? You start living like how you want to live, and shit will start panning out around you. You'll start getting the things you've always wanted. You know what happened to me? I didn't chase anything. Because anytime I chased something, it ran. Anytime I chased, if I chased a girl, if I chased a dog, if I chased a child, that shit ran off. If I chased a dream, that shit ran. It's natural. Somebody chase you, the motherfucker chase you right now, you gonna run. Somebody come at you full speed right now, you gonna run. And that's how dreams are, they run. That's how everything you want is. If you chase it, it's going to run. But if you build yourself and create yourself to have that, position yourself for that to be given to you, for it to be presented to you, for that to be in abundance in your life, it'll all happen. It'll come to be. It'll jump in your lap. If I'm out there trying to chase birds right now, I might not get one. I might be coming up empty every day trying to catch a damn bird. But if I build me a nice, beautiful nest or a nice little, what they call that, a bird bath, plant me a nice little tree, put me a nice little bush here, put some food around, you know what I'm saying? A little bird feeder and all that, man, birds are going to come. That's the same thing that happens in life. When we build ourselves, create the characteristics that attract what we want will come. It starts with us. The law of attraction means it starts with you. Whatever you want starts with you. It's not about that, it's about you. When it comes to the most beautiful woman in the world with all the talent and love and adoration for you and faithfulness, it's not about her, it's about you. Because there's 1 billion people like that on the planet. But why would any of them want to be with you? Like I said, become what you want. That's the law of attraction, y'all. Anyway, man, I love y'all, man. Continue to check us out every Monday, every Thursday, a new episode, man. Visit the website, lifeofaboss.net, man. Buy the book, pre-order the book, man. It's coming out. It is coming out, man. I want y'all to check it out. I definitely want y'all to have it, man. And just get involved. Get involved in anything you do, anything we do, man. If you see an event, try to support, try to come out. If you're local to the Southern California area, man, we always have events going on, man. Just try to be present, try to be involved, and get in our world, man. If you want to get to know me, come meet me, all right? Anyway, I love y'all, man. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok at Jason Hardway Hardin on TikTok, Hardway Hardin on Instagram, man. Follow me on Twitter, even though I don't tweet, but you can still follow me. But I love y'all, man. And join the Facebook page, Life of a Boss, the podcast. for exclusive content, videos, and all that good stuff. All right, man. I love y'all. And remember, success is a lifestyle. Peace.
Did anything stand out to you in today's show? If so, let us know. Your questions, comments, and concerns are important to Jason, as he is determined to always deliver to you only the most impactful information and content. Until next time, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and leave a review whenever possible. You may visit lifeofaboss.net for more episodes and great resources to help you become the absolute boss that you were meant to be. You can also follow Jason on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Hardin. Thank you. And never forget that success is a lifestyle.